If you've been playing in church for a while and your chords do not sound the way you wish them to sound, or you're not happy with them, tell us the reason why. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly a few tips that you can use to make your chord sound pretty well, and you could be happy with them. What we're going to consider is that song, which is Because He Lives, which I play in the video, and I'll show you a few tricks you can add to your chord that would actually make them sound pretty nice or advanced, to help you also break the wall and sound pretty more advanced. All right, we're going to stay in the key of C because I have, based on my comments, I have a lot of my viewers who actually told me, hey, let's just stick to the key of C because it's easier for them to see what I'm doing. But in the meantime, I do not encourage you to stay in the key of C. I want you to move up from all the remaining 11 keys. But before I go any further, I wanted to give a shout out to my musicians from South Africa, from United Kingdom, from Ghana, and also from Nigeria, and all over the world also. And thank you for your comments. Please do not hesitate to leave me a comment. I read them because I make videos based on what I read. But now we're gonna go and on this journey we're going to learn. Let's consider this song Because He Lives, and see how we could dress it up with beautiful chords. The first thing I'm going to do is always to play the melody for you, right? We all know this song. Okay, so that's the intro, right? So what can we do to make this sound pretty good? So let's look at the melody. It's very like, it's like this. All right, so a basic player will actually play like this. And so on. Now, what happened is we only play 3 chords. It's the C chord, we play F, look at my notes, okay? And then we also go back to C, and we do G, and go back to C. It sounds still basic, but let's look at how we can dress it up with some extensions, with some advanced sharp, flat, and all that to make it sound a lot more advanced. Because He Lives. All right, so let's go back. I want you to see both my hands and also the MIDI notes that would help you play the way I do play it, or even better. So let's do it. That's the melody, right? So da 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 da. Let me show you what I just did, okay? Because I know I had some people say, hey, you're going too fast. Even if we are intermediate, but there's some stuff we need to kind of see it. So I'm going to go a bit slower. Here's what I did. To dress it up, the melody is like 5, 1, 2, 3. Now remember the number system: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, right? So look at this. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna stay right here. I'm gonna start on the 5 of my left hand. So look at this. I did G and D, and I do G here. Look at this. I'm gonna do it again. You could even do this. Before you get to the G, just use F. Okay? Okay, so we're in 1, right? Then to go to F, I just did a C7. This is a passing chord. Let me do it again. Why I did this is because the melody is still C. So I could just, instead of just saying the F, I could do this. So I'll do it again. Or do this, F minor, or do this chord, which is a B7 sharp 11 and flat 2. Okay? Or this is just B flat, B. See? I do 2, 2. See? I could just do a passing chord in 3. Okay? I'm gonna take my time slowly so you can get the concept. I do. Now I could do 5, a flat 5 on my left hand with the with this. You see? But because it's the third of B flat, I could do. That's fine. I could do this if I wanted to be more tension. I wanted to put more tension into it. I could do. Okay. Can I do it again? Now to go to 5, I could do. Okay. I do. Again. Same. The C7. This. This is sus4. I hope you get this concept. I'm going to go a bit slower again for those who want me to actually go slower so they can get it. So I'll do it again. Too. I could do F minor, or I could do this here too, which is a D minor 7 sharp 11. See? It's a 7 sharp or flat 9. This is the flat 9. See, I'm just harmonizing everything, the notes. Alright, so what's the theory behind it? As I'm moving from C, I always do C7 or the tritone, going to F, and then here I could do this here. I'll do it again. Same here too. And then here I want to go to Okay, that's the sus chord, which is G and D, and then here I have G, C, and E. Now, I want you, as now, if you notice that, hey, I just discovered something that I did not know before, I want you to go ahead and like this video right now. And I want you also to subscribe if you have not yet. Because once you find a value into something, you're happy about it, you need to make me feel that you are happy about it. And leave me a comment. Just say happy. Or say something like wall broken. Or something like sounding more advanced. So I know, just go in the comment box and type that, because I want to make sure that I know who is watching this video all the way through. And I read all the comments, and I'm going to reply to all the comments on videos that you guys want. All right. So remember, we're in the key of C. All right. So to harmonize that is very easy. So what I do is I always make sure that I do that's in the C, in the key of C. So I have to harmonize it. See? Look at this. I started here. I'm gonna do. So the notes, I don't just play like this. That's too dry. I just kind of address them up with this. See? Then see, I'm going from real, actually for me it's 3 going to 6, but I do this. See? So I'm gonna do it again. And then those are some nice melody line that you use to sound like more, you know, a bit nicer, more events. Then see, I could do. I can even do. See, see. Three. I do this. See? And when you could do, if you're ending the song, you do this because it's the third of A flat, the third of B flat. And I'm sure you guys have learned something that you probably was not thinking of before. That's why I still want you to subscribe, okay? But like the video also, because I want that to reach as many intermediate people like you, and also so you could go and play in a church, impress your friends, or at least for your own knowledge. Like I've said in one of my first video, I said it's all about knowledge. And once you have that as knowledge, what you need to do is actually apply them. So passing chord. That is if you want to harmonize everything. This is sus chord, C sus. Okay? So as you're playing those type of songs, you definitely need to learn how to harmonize them and use some techniques. Whenever I have this melody note I see, you know, I can use some advanced stuff based on the flat 9 sharp 5, or some extension to make them, instead of just playing them like basic, like I did at the very beginning of this video, I just dress it up with a lot of stuff to make them sound a bit nicer. Now you all know that I believe in small chords, even if I know a lot of big chords, but you don't actually need those big chords to sound great, because as long as you know how to harmonize your song with some drop twos, which I have a video on drop two already. I want you to go and explore my channels, and make sure that you check my drop two videos where I teach how to use drop two, which is just like you kind of drop the second highest note from your chords. All right. Okay, so drop two is where you could actually drop the highest notes from your notes. Let's say if I have C, E, G, and I have, let's say for example, B. So the drop two would be, I just drop, this is the first highest, the second highest, I just drop it here, and then I can do this too. But never play your chord like this. It's too dry. Always put something like this. So I'm encouraging you to continue following my channel. Go back to all my videos, check some of those tips, important points that I show you exactly what to do, because this will help you. A lot of you from around the world want a personal teacher or somebody, a private teacher, to teach them something. But here I do give out a lot of nice tip, concept to help you. So keep following this channel. And please leave me a comment. I want to see like 50 comments. Well, after you watch one video, just leave me something so I know that you watched the video all the way to the end. You can just tap also end so I know that you watched all the way to the end. Go please and watch this video all the way till the end so I know that you watched to the end, and tap the word end so I know you watch it. And I know if you go to all my videos and watch, you will learn something. Thank you, and see you in the next video.